Welcome to this tutorial and explanation about expository paragraph. How to do it. Let's start. We need to identify the topic. This unit's topic revolves around celebrations and traditions. Before writing any piece of writing, you need to consider your outline of ideas. An outline is a list of ordered points you will cover in your writing using your own words. At this point, it's important to focus in vocabulary and ideas. Then, you need to identify the purpose of the writing that you are going to do, the type of writing. An expository paragraph has the intention to inform the reader about something. In this case, the purpose of this expository paragraph is to communicate the main aspects of a tradition in Vietnam. How is it called? When it happens? How people celebrate? And the meaning of the tradition inside that culture. All the paragraph is about the tradition and the information is organized with transition words. Transition words help us give structure to a text, and they work in writing and speaking to make your expression more formal. There are many types of transition words. Depending on which group, we use them to express different logical order of connection among ideas. Pay attention that transition words are only used in the middle of the paragraph. They are never used to start or end a paragraph. Also, pay attention to position and punctuation inside the sentence. To write a well-structured paragraph, you need a title, an introduction, a body, and a conclusion. The introduction is your topic sentence. It introduces the topic. Your body is an organized section of sentences, in plural, with good punctuation and organization that develops your ideas. And your conclusion is a final sentence or couple of sentences, which in this case refers to the meaning of the tradition inside that culture. Because this is an expository paragraph, you have to stay objective, so even the conclusion does not contain your opinion. You are just stating the facts about this tradition. To sum up, when you finish your paragraph, you have in your hands the first draft. So before you send it to your teacher, make sure that it is structured. A strategy is analyze your own writing in different levels of language: words, phrases, and sentences. Take as a reference your sentence level. Subject, verb, complement. You can make a chart like this one in a notebook and analyze your language production. So what you do is to put in your chart each of the elements of your sentence to check that you have an ordered sentence in English. So you have the subject, the verb, and the complement. But remember that sometimes some prepositional phrases change of order and they can be put at the beginning, or you can have the conjunction that is outside these three elements. So you can use a chart like this to analyze your language and check that you always have a subject followed by a verb and then followed by a complement. When you have your basic idea done, little by little, you will start seeing an improvement on how you organize your thoughts in English, and this can have an impact in your other skills such as reading, listening, and even speaking. Have a blast writing your drafts and projects. Keep learning, and peace out.